Hello friends, welcome in Learning Studio. I am D. Vivek. This is the second part of voice. Friends, in first part we have learned helping verbs of be. Do you know which are the forms of be? Yes, be is the base form. Am is are present forms, or they are also called V1 forms. Was were are past forms or V2 forms. Been is past participle form or V3 form, and being is present participle form. You know, we have to use these forms while changing voice. And second important point is that we use past participle form of main verb in passive voice. Now friends, let's learn some more rules of voice. When do, does, did are used as helping verb, they are replaced with appropriate forms of be in passive voice. See, the first sentence is, you do not draw the pictures. In this sentence, you is subject, do is helping verb, draw is main verb, the pictures is an object. See here, do is a helping verb. Do is used as a helping verb. Here we take first object in the beginning, the pictures. The pictures. Then do indicates present tense. So take appropriate form of be. What are the present forms of be? Am, is, are. Here subject is plural, so are is appropriate here. The pictures are, then take not, then past participle of main verb, draw, drew, drawn. Then preposition by and subject, objective form of subject is you. This is the answer. The pictures are not drawn by you. See here, we have replaced the do by using are. So in this way, while changing voice, we use appropriate form of be instead of helping verb do, does or did. Now next sentence, here also he is subject, does helping verb, where main verb, a ring object. Take first object, a ring. Here is a helping verb does. It indicates present tense, simple present tense. So take present form of be, am is are. Here subject is singular, so take is. A ring is not. Past participle form of wear is worn, wear or worn. A ring is not worn, preposition by, and he becomes him. This is our answer. A ring is not worn by him. Let's take some more sentences. See the third sentence. They did not beat him. Here they is subject, did helping verb beat main verb, him object. You know, not is an adverb. Not is an adverb. Okay. They did not beat him. Here, object first, him becomes he. Helping verb did. It indicates past tense. So take appropriate form of be in past. Was where. These are the past forms of be. Then what is appropriate after he, was or where? Was is appropriate. He was not. Past participle of main verb beaten by them. He was not beaten by them. Now see the fourth sentence. Here he is subject, did is present, but here did is not a helping verb. It is here main verb. And experiment is object. First take object and experiment. Here did shows past tense, simple past tense. Use past form of be. Was and experiment was. And now you can't remove this did. We have to use its past participle form. An experiment was done by him. Here our passive sentence is ready. An experiment was done by him. So we have to remember, when do, does, did are used as helping verb, they are replaced using appropriate forms of be. But when do, does, did are used as main verb, we have to use their past participle form in passive voice. Sometimes a verb has two objects, direct object and indirect object. While changing voice, we prefer indirect object. It means we prefer personal object. So let's take one example. See the first sentence. Gopal gave me a present. In this sentence, Gopal is subject, gave main verb, me object, a present object. So in this sentence there are two objects. This is called direct object and this is called indirect object. While changing voice, we can make two sentences. By taking a present as subject, also we can change voice. By taking me or I in the beginning as subject, we can change the voice. It means there are two answers, but generally we prefer this indirect object while changing voice. So take this me as a subject in the beginning, it becomes I. See here, me is personal object. So this personal object is preferred while changing voice. Me becomes I. See here, this gave shows past tense. So take past form of be. What are the past forms of be? Was, where. I is here, so was is appropriate here. I was. Past participle form of main verb. I was given a present. by Gopal. I was given a present by Gopal. See here, this indirect object is taken as subject in passive voice. Next sentence, the teacher, subject is helping verb, telling main verb, the students, object, this is indirect object, a story, this is also object, this is direct object. Personal object is this, so take the students in the beginning. The students, here is helping verb, but is not appropriate or suitable for this subject because this subject is plural. So take are here. Here ing suffix is to main verb. There is a present participle form of the main verb, and we have to take appropriate form of be. Take present participle form of be. या ठिकाणी ing प्रत्यय असलेले आपण बी चं सुद्धा ing प्रत्यय असलेलं रूप घेतो आपण. प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म आहे या ठिकाणी मेन वर्बचा. आपण प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म बी चा घ्यायचा आहे, तो आहे बीइंग. The students are being past participle form of main verb. टेलचं आपल्याला तिसरं रूप घ्यायचं आहे. पॅसिव्ह मध्ये आपण तिसरं रूप घेत असतो मुख्य क्रियापदाचं. The students are being told a story by the teacher. By the teacher. So this is our answer. Sometimes a preposition comes after main verb in active voice. It remains after main verb in passive voice also. See the example. A nurse looks after the little girls. In this sentence, a nurse is subject, looks verb, after is a preposition, the little girls object. Take object in the beginning. The little girls simple present tense. So take appropriate form of be. Present form of be are am, is, are. Here subject is plural. Take are. The little girls are. Past participle form of main verb looked. Take preposition after this preposition. Then take by preposition and subject becomes here object, a nurse. N-U-R-S-E. The little girls are looked after by a nurse. Now see the next example. The children subject, laughed verb, at preposition, the clown object. Take object in the beginning. The clown. Past tense is there. Take past form of be. The clown was. Past participle form of main verb. Laughed. Preposition at. Then by. Subject the children. Our answer is ready. The clown was laughed at by the children. See, this preposition is used after verb here. This preposition also is used after verb.